Hello, Emma. I can hear you.
Cassie, quit it.
Hello, Emma. Are you there? Hi.
I'm calling.
I'm calling you. Who are you calling?
Hello?
Hello.
Hello?
Hi. What are you doing?
Sorry, Molly. Sorry, Mom. The Papa.
Oh.
Sorry. No, I'm making. What's wrong?
What do you got, babe? You okay? What do you got? You don't have no food. You just need to put this on. Now watch. Come here. This is just a little bit twisted around
I
there.
know, she's kind of like all...
Here, stand up. Stand up. Stand up.
Cassie.
Oh. I know what we need to do. You ready? You ready? Whoa. I said to put the snack down. Molly, come give her some kisses. Cassidy, come here. Come give her some kisses. Look at all these kisses. Look at all these kisses.
Cassidy. She needs a bigger area.
Was that Molly or Emma? Both of them?
Yeah. But I'm talking about Cassie.
Shelby.
It's not
Shelby,
even
come here.
inside of her hair.
Come here. Cassidy, give you some kisses. Cassidy, give you some kisses. Cassidy, come here. Come here. Come here. Kisses. Get some kisses.
Quit. Hey, Cassidy.
Shelby, come here. Shelby, come here.
It's really cool that they all are like real aware of her. You know what I mean? They know not to hurt that baby.
Good trick.
Good job, Emma.